Cinephones have forgotten how to chew, and you say that it's no fun when you can see it being done, or how the blood is being brung. And you can curse as much as you want when you're alone, 'cause who's gonna hear you, darling, when you've unplugged the phone? Whoa. You sure do curse as much as you want, desirable you, fan the flames that nearly taught you. So unplug the phone, you won't stop to ignore missed calls from me all the time. My heart is yours or yours is mine. I just can't remember how it would have played out this time. And you can curse as much as you want when you're alone, 'cause who's gonna hear you, darling, when you've unplugged the phone? So unplug the phone. They won't carry conversation. It's not like they're home anyway. They're buried in frustration, trying to get to you. So unplug the phone.
Much better.
Alright, awesome. Just closing my eyes, trying to pay attention to keep the dynamic up.